For today's makeup look, we're doing this painted face paint makeup look to make myself look as if I was a painting. And for this look, we're using the Athena Cream Face Paint palette. I'm starting with the yellow and putting it around the eyes. Next, going for the light orangey brown shade and putting this in the crease, trying to create some depth to the eyes. I really like cream paints for this kind of look because they can create a brushstroke-like effect very well. And blending shades together is easy because these paints stay in kind of a wet form. Next, mixing some white into the yellow for a lighter shade, and using this as a highlight. Then using the yellow in the middle of the face, starting to create the shading on the skin. Here I'm adding the lighter shade to this portion of the face. One side of the face will have more highlights and one will have more shadows, seeing as this is where the light source will be coming from. Then I add a few more highlights to this side. When adding each shade, I'm leaving the brush strokes and not blending them in entirely together. Then the colors get a bit darker towards the edges of the face. Towards this side of the face, the colors will start getting darker. So I add a little bit of the orange to the yellow on this side. For the nose, you're going to want to highlight the middle of the nose and the tip of the nose. Then adding a bit of the darker brown on the edges. Then adding some pink and orange to the cheek area to make it look like there's makeup. And even adding a little bit of purple to darken the shadow. Adding a highlight to the cheek on this side. Then filling in the chin area, making the edges darker with orange. For the lips, I filled them in with pink. Then add purple to the inside for a little bit of depth. Then add white for some shine and highlight. Then highlight above the lips on this one side. And the chin as well. For the body paint, I didn't know it wasn't recording, but here you just use yellow on one side, orange towards the middle, and like a pinky purple towards the one side. Continuing the same sort of shadowing you did on the face, and then adding a little bit of highlight to the collarbone area, and highlights on the neck. And that completes this colorful painted makeup look. I've always wanted to try a painting look like this, and I thought that cream paints would work best for it. I think these Athena paints had pretty colors and blended very well, and also gave you the option of having this sort of painted brushstroke type of feel. And I think they would work well for lots of different Halloween and special effects makeup looks. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you guys again soon.